Okay, so hello guys. Today I will be reacting to this music video by Donella featuring JR. Marami akong nakikita mga reaction video about this, and I honestly haven't seen this before. I haven't even like heard of them playing before. But sabi nila, ano daw, maganda daw to. So pakinggan natin and magre-react tayo accordingly.
Let's go.
Flowers not a flower until they bloom. Like my first time living life the day I met you. Hate to think that you
Wow, this is my first time hearing his voice, and it's quite an impression.
must have to die someday. 1,000 years won't do. No one ever fell in love, even though I'm scared to love. Baby, no, the pain is unbearable. There's a way. Inshallah, ikinamad. Mapinipining may salamang ka. You turn my Olympics into. Ikaw ay tila sining sa museong di naluluma. Binibining.
I love the vibes, man. It's like late 90s or 2000 R&B vibes.
Kung ginto ang kapaluluwa, gonna keep you like that, not good shit all my life. Sa tingin mo ng oras mo'y lumipas na, ako'y patuloy na mararahuyo sa ganda. I still kiss you every
Parang may pagka-Usher na basta like 90s vibes talaga.
single day all my life. If I could paint a
JR, by the way, known as the king of R&Bs of Pilipinas. So
perfect picture of a girl on my dreams with a curvy figure, voice of an angel like a symphony. No doubt she's a masterpiece. No matter the color, you're beautiful. You're one of a kind, like a miracle. Hindi ka papanaw hanggang huling araw. Maging kabilang buhay ka ba ikaw? No one ever fell in love, even though I'm scared to love. Baby, you know the pain is unbearable. There's no way. Pinasala, ikinamana. Mapinipining may sanamagap. You turn my Olympics into a bouquet. Ay, tinasin sa museong di naluluma. Binibining kong ginto ang kakaluluwa.
parang may naisip talaga akong music na ano, parang katunog ng kanta nila. Man, it's bringing memories back, but di ko lang maalala talaga yung yung specific na music na yun. But yeah, I love the vibe, I love the tune, I love the mood of this song.
Like the number shit all my life. Something in ang oras may lumipas na, ay patuloy na mararahuyo sa ganda. I still kiss you every single day all my life. Yo, make some noise, everyone! Always remember, if walang magpa-flex sa inyo sa song na to, treat yourselves as your own sinning. Everyone, you're an art. So don't let anyone hurt you. Let's make this heavier, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Come on. At sa pagdating ng huling araw, huwag mag-alala. Naramdamay habang buhay nagkamantya that the world will never take away after life. Thank you so much, everyone.
Kaka-proud. Wow. Galing nun, man. Live song pa yun, ha? Ngayon ko lang narinig talaga yung bandang to. I'm gonna listen to them again. And, so, wala akong masabi, man. Sobrang galing. Sobrang ganda ng boses. Pati yung blend kay JR, man. It's crazy. This is a worth it song to listen. Salamat sa mga nag-recommend nito. And, thank you so much. Hanggang sa susunod na na reaction video, please subscribe to my channel naman, no. Tapos kita-kita tayo next time. Have a great day. Bye.